In the beginning there was nothing, no sky, no earth, no sea. Only the void, yawning and empty until the clash of ice and fire created the world, and from the body of a giant, the gods sculpted the universe. This is the story of Norse mythology, a web of gods, giants, and creatures far older than our own history. From the 9 realms, the gods watch over mankind, waging wars and telling tales that echo through time, gripping us with mystery and wonder. But the gods themselves know, everything has an end, even them. Before time, there was Ymir, the primordial giant. Born from the merging of icy Niflheim and fiery Muspelheim, his very breath gave life to the first beings. But from his flesh, a far greater force was born, the gods themselves. From his bones they crafted mountains. His blood became the oceans, his skull the sky, and thus the world of Midgard was born. But creation is never perfect. There was more stirring in the void than just gods. Giants, trolls, dwarves, chaos lingered just beyond the borders of the world. At the heart of this tale are the gods of Asgard, the Aesir, Odin, the All-Father, wise and watchful, Thor, the Thunderer, strong and brash. But standing against them, always at the edge of their vision, were the Jotnar, the giants. Though enemies, the giants are more than mere brutes. They are ancient, older than the gods themselves. And as we'll see, they are destined to be part of the gods' downfall. And then, there's Loki, the trickster. Neither god nor giant, but something in between. A being of chaos whose loyalty shifts with the wind. Odin, the All-Father. A god willing to sacrifice everything, even his own eye, for knowledge. He sought the secrets of the universe, not through might but through wit, forever striving to stave off the inevitable doom. Frigg, his wife, is the keeper of prophecy. She knows what is to come, the death of her son, Baldur. But even she cannot change fate. Thor, son of Odin, protector of Midgard. His hammer, Mjolnir, is feared by giants. But even his strength cannot stop the tide of destiny. Loki, the god of mischief, a shapeshifter, a father of monsters, a creature of duality, both ally and enemy, whose actions will one day tip the balance of the universe. It is foretold that the gods will not reign forever. There will come a time known as Ragnarok, when the sun and moon are devoured by wolves, the earth quakes, and the gods face their final battle. Fenrir, the great wolf, will devour Odin. Jormungandr, the serpent, will rise from the depths to battle Thor. And the trickster Loki will lead the forces of chaos against his own kin. But from the ashes of this destruction, a new world will rise. A world reborn. Though the gods may die, the cycle will begin again, for that is the nature of all things. The tales of Norse mythology continue to captivate us today. They live on not just in the sagas and stories passed down through generations, but in the very landscape of Scandinavia. The gods and giants, the heroes and monsters, they echo through our art, our literature, our dreams. From ancient whispers to modern legends, the myths of the Norse have transcended time. They remind us that even in a world filled with chaos, there is always hope for renewal. And there is always a story waiting to be told. And perhaps one day, the gods will return.